Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. Children, do you all like to sing songs? Yes? Very good. We all like to sing songs. Children, in our English Bal Bharati textbook, we had a song. Do you remember it? The first topic in the textbook? Yes, a happy song. Students, you must have learnt many songs and poems from nursery to senior KG. Today we are going to learn one more new song. The name of the song is Number Song. Children, this is page number 13 and topic number 11, Number Song. Students, I am now going to read the song. You all pay attention and listen carefully. 1. Listen, sing and repeat. 1, 2, 3 and 4 plants the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8 plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10 plant the trees double of 10, double of 10. Children, I am reading again, pay attention. 1, 2, 3 and 4 plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8 plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10 plant the trees double of 10, double of 10. Children, look here. 1, 2, 3, 4 plant the trees more and more. Children, what do you see around your house? Yes, there are many green trees around us. The trees are very important in our lives. It is not possible for us to survive on earth without trees. Trees provide us everything that we need in our daily lives. We need food to eat, which we get from the plants. We get food grains like rice, wheat from the plant. Look at this picture, children. We get rice and wheat from the plant. From the rice, we can make fried rice, dosa, rice flakes and roti. And from wheat, we can make noodles, chapatis, biscuits and bread. We get various types of fruits from the trees. Some examples are there in front of you. Mango, guava, orange, papaya, strawberry, pineapple, jamun, fig and many other fruits we get from the trees. We get different types of vegetables from the plants. Drumsticks, potatoes, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato and brinjals are some of the examples of vegetables we get from the plants. We also get nuts from plants. Walnut, cashew nuts and almonds are some of the examples. Children, we need oil every day to cook food. Oil is obtained from the seeds of some plants. The seeds are crushed to take out the oil. Coconut oil, sunflower oil and mustard oil are some of the commonly used oils. We also get spices from the plants. We use spices to add taste to the food. You can see cardamom, pepper and cloves in the picture. We get wood from the trunk of the tree. Children, look at this picture. This is the tree and the hard brown part of the tree is called the trunk. And from the trunk of the tree we get the wood. And wood is used to make furniture such as table, chair, sofa and cupboard. Children, we use notebooks and books to study. The papers are made from the wood of some plants such as bamboo and pine tree. Look at this picture of bamboo. Children, look at this plant. This tree is a rubber tree. Okay, rubber is obtained from the juice of the rubber tree, and it is used to make tires, gloves, and eraser. These are some medicinal plants. We get medicines from some plants. Some plants such as tulsi, mint, aloe vera, garlic, neem are used to make medicines. The clothes we wear are made from cotton. We get cotton from cotton plant. Look at this picture of cotton plant. Children, we get fresh air and oxygen from trees. Trees reduce the pollution. Trees make our surrounding green and cool. Children, trees are very important. But nowadays people cut the trees to construct the roads and buildings, which is going to harm us. We should not cut the trees. We should plant more and more trees to make our surrounding green. 9 and 10, 9 and 10, plant the trees double of 10, double of 10, which means we should not sit after planting 1 or 2 trees. We should not stop planting trees. We should plant more and more trees. We should plant 10 or 20 and many trees. Okay? Now children, let us sing this song together. One, two, three, four. Plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10, double of 10. Now let us use the tune and sing this song. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10. 9 and 10, 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10. Okay, let us repeat again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10. 9 and 10, 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10. Children, look at the number 2. This is the activity we have to do now. Write the number names from the song. Okay, one is done for you. First one is number 1, O-N-E, 1. Now children, you know the number names. Let us write here. One, O-N-E, 1. For 2, T capital, T, W, O, 2. What is the number name of 3? Yes, write T capital, T, H, R, double E, 3. 4 is F, O, U, R, 4. 5 is F, I, V, E, 5. Next is 6. S, I X 6. 7 S E V E N 7. E I G H T 8. N I N E 9. And what is the number name of 10? The spelling is T E N 10. Understood, students? Repeat the number names again. O N E 1, T W O 2, T H R E E 3, F O U R 4, F I V E 5, S I X 6, S E V E N 7, E I G H T 8, N I N E 9, and last one T E N 10. Number 3, count and write. Now children, we have to count the objects and write the number. First, how many balls are there? Let us count them. 1, 2 and 3. So write there T H R E E. Let us do it again. 1, 2 and 3. So how many balls are there? There are 3 balls. Then how many parrots are there, children? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many parrots are there? F I V E 5. Let's count the ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is number name of 6? Is S I X 6. Okay, children. Let's sing the number song again. Now stand up and sing this song loudly along with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10, 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10. 9 and 10, 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10. Okay, children, I hope you have understood this number song. So what lesson we get from this song, children, from today's topic? Yes, we learnt that we have to plant more and more trees. Now, children, which season is going on now? Yes, it's rainy season. Okay, and if we plant the trees in the rainy season, then they grow faster. So we have to, in this rainy season, we have to plant more and more trees. Okay. So for today I'm going to give you one activity. You have any plant you can take and plant it in the pot, or if you have open space around your house, then please try to plant big trees. And if you don't have space, then you can use some small plants and plant them in your pot and keep them in your balcony and observe them how they grow. Okay, students, and learn this song. Okay, we shall meet very soon in the next video. Till then, bye and take care. Thank you.